Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, I hope you are all well. I am also well. Today I will show you how to fix rapid battery drain problem on smartphones. People use smartphones for most of their work these days, so smartphone battery is very important. But many people suffer from the problem of fast draining of battery charge. The battery of the phone is not responsible for this. There are a number of technical reasons for rapid battery drain, which are often overlooked. Smartphones have 5 features that can be turned off to increase battery life, but many people are forced to buy a new battery or a new phone without solving the technical problem. Let's know about these features. Number 1, screen brightness and timeout setting. The main reason for battery draining is the display. So set the screen brightness so that it is comfortable for your eyes. The brightness of the phone should not be increased unnecessarily. Also, change the auto lock or screen timeout settings. This can extend the battery life of your phone. Please subscribe my channel to get regular update about the tech video and other important events. Number 2, block background apps. Sometimes some apps run in the background without the user's knowledge, which drains the phone's battery. So such apps running in the background should be used carefully. You can get rid of the problem by finding the apps from the phone setting and turning off the background apps refresh option. Number 3, location sharing. The location sharing option can drain the phone's battery, so not every app should be allowed to use the location share option. Number 4, opting for Wi-Fi data instead of cellular data. Users should use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data if possible. This is because the cellular network consumes more power than Wi-Fi, which reduces the phone battery life. Number 5, low power mode. If you have iPhone, then you can use this option. Low power mode should always be enabled for iPhone because it consumes less battery. That's all for today. If you follow these 5 features or 5 settings, then you can easily reduce your battery life of your Android phone. So that's all for today. You are earnestly request to watch my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.